Right, still with me, Wayne McCurrie from RMB Asset Management. 13.3 billion rand passing through the market.
Quite big, yeah.
Fair day of volumes. Because usually when we see positivity, it's usually on the back of lighter volumes.
Now look, understand our market just almost in the shorter term reflecting what's happening overseas. I mean, we haven't come through this nearly as poorly as the US share markets over the last 2 or 3 weeks. But there is some signs, and maybe it's clutching at straws, but there is some signs of hope for world equities yet. When the market falls big, the buyers come in overseas. So maybe that's a reasonable sign that there's some value in shares at this price.
So Wayne,
we'll see.
Do you think, you already answered my question, how did you know what I was going to ask? Taking a look at whether we're going to see a big plummet from here or not, what are you pricing in? What are you telling your
valuations don't support
investors?
A big plummet.
Yeah.
Now simplistically, last time the market tanked, Anglo-American was a 17 PE, and I'm just using Anglos as any share. Today it's an 8 PE. So the level of overvaluation is just simply not the same as what it was last time the market fell. Now that doesn't mean the market can't fall 15% like it has, or it can't fall another 10%. But the chances of another 50 or 40% fall, in other words, our market going to 17 or 18,000 like it did last time, I still think is fairly slim. But quite frankly, who knows what's going to happen? Markets can panic, markets can be very irrational for sustained time periods. But for what it's worth, I don't think it's going to fall.
You've got the top 40 performers in front of you. Any numbers that stick out with regards to showing opportunity, Wayne?
Well, it was quite, just on what happened today, it was quite good in MTN because I didn't think the market results were so bad. But where's opportunity? Man, I think Pick n Pay you can go for. I think there will be a turnaround there. ArcelorMittal, I just don't know. It looks cheap, but I just don't know with the smelter going down in Newcastle as to how long it's going to take them to actually fix that one. But Anglos looks good value, Richmond not so much. Maybe you want to go for a bit of Bidvest and Billiton. I know Bidvest has come off.
Let's touch on Bidvest very quickly. Not going to be unbundling its food division.
I think that's negative. No, I think it's negative. I think there was value to be unlocked there, but obviously the price just was not right.
Yeah.
So it didn't happen.
Okay, Wayne, and what are you going to be doing this weekend? Are you taking a breather and not focusing on any market news?
I'm going to do as little market updates as possible.
And I wish you all the best for next week.
I'm just going to look once later on tonight as to where the Dow closed, and that's it.
Okay, fantastic. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much, Wayne, for joining me. Much appreciated.